See, we're on Highway 12, US Highway 12, going west, and we just came into Sauk City, Sauk City, Wisconsin, and I think I smell a delicious Culver's Butter Burger. Culver's is headquartered here, and we're going over the Wisconsin River here. Let me see if we can spot a bald eagle. No. It's a beautiful bridge, and the river is really wide here already. And you end up right in downtown Sauk City. There it says, "Welcome to Sauk City, the oldest incorporated village in Wisconsin." Okay, so this is a little taste of Sauk City, Wisconsin. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, subscribe.